Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the door latch in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Use a T20 Torx bit screwdriver to remove the screws securing the inner door panel to the outer panel. Loosen the door latch mounting screws. Separate the door panels and set the outer panel aside. Now fully remove the door latch mounting screws to release the control panel assembly. Lift out the door latch and note the orientation of the wires. Disconnect the wires to remove the old latch. Install the new door latch by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Position the latch in the control panel. Then realign the control panel assembly on the inner door panel. Thread the door latch mounting screws loosely. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the control panel. Rethread the screws to secure the inner door panel to the outer panel. The longer screws go at the top. Tighten the door latch mounting screws. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.